Last summer, my friends and I decided to embark on a camping adventure deep in the woods, eager to disconnect from city life and embrace the tranquility of nature. We set up our tents, gathered around the fire, and exchanged ghost stories until we were too spooked to stay up any longer. As the night enveloped us, a mysterious resonant howl echoed through the trees, sending shivers down our spines. We exchanged nervous glances, convincing ourselves it was just a distant wolf, or maybe a particularly melodious owl. However, as the night dragged on, the howling grew louder and more erratic, resembling snoring. Curiosity got the best of us, and we tiptoed towards Fred's tent, where the sound was unmistakably booming. Turns out Fred wasn't just snoring. He was orchestrating a symphony of thunderous snores that could wake bears from hibernation. As we lay there, trapped in the cacophony, my friend